I said I be in my bag, ho. I talk my shit, don't mean to brag, though. And I see why these niggas mad, though. They say I'm an asshole, and I'ma show 'em why I spaz for. And I'ma get these niggas facts, ho. I talk my shit because I gotta, mad because I gotta. I ain't even want it, so I treat it like an option. I just seen a lot of hate, but didn't even bother. Niggas gossiping like women, man. This shit was kinda awkward, man. They capping. This shit ain't a movie, why they acting? Thinking shit was sweet, just like some candy.
What it do, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7. My new subscribers was popping, and for the one that always been there since day one, mad love, man. I appreciate y'all, for real. I appreciate it 100. But today I just want to thank God, man, for another day. You know, I just want to thank God for another opportunity and for me getting closer to my goals. You know, each day is a blessing. You know what I mean? Each day is a blessing, and I just want to thank y'all. But how y'all doing out there? I hope y'all doing okay. I hope y'all doing good. If not, pray. If y'all doing great, if y'all doing good, pray still, man. No matter what, in any situation you in, man, stay praying, man. Always stay praying, man. That's the number one key, man. Have a relationship with God. You feel me? Number one. But He's always first. But today I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna be customizing fenders for my Lucky 7 right here. You know, as you know, this is still my project bike. You know what I mean? Still gotta get stuff done to it. I still gotta get more parts for it and whatever. But today I'm focusing on the fenders. I'm gonna be painting them, and we're gonna take it upstairs to top of my garage. That's where I got my paint area, my paint section right there. So let's get it. Bah. So this is it right here. That's what we're gonna work on. This right here, these are the fenders that I'm working on, that I'm gonna be painting. You know, you see the little stamp right here. Lowrider bike stamp right there. They both got them, so they're gonna be both the same fenders. And I'm gonna be painting them. I gotta clean them first, but this is what it is for right now. So yeah, what I got in mind, I'm gonna be doing the Bajitas logo on it. I'm gonna be painting that on it with, you know, the Mexican colors and the Bajitas name in the middle of it, just like the, you know, the Bajitas logo, the Bajitas badge and stuff like that. So that's what I'm working on. That's what I'm gonna be working on right now. I just got done with the, you know, the first and second step. I primered it, sanding it down, and put another a coat of paint on top, which is gonna be, you know, the paint for my letters that I got going on, which is gonna say Bajitas. You know, I printed out paper, I cut it out with the X-Acto knife, you know, the way it's supposed to be, real nice. And I'm gonna put it on, you know, on the fender and paint over it. You know, y'all gonna see all this mess that I got going. Whatever I got on tape, I'm gonna tape it on the fender and then just paint the, you know what I mean, just paint over it. Y'all see, you know what I mean. So this is what I got going on. So I just got done putting down my letters with my my painter's tape. You can see it says Bajitas. I'm gonna be going over it with white paint. You know, it's gonna be the base of the fender, of the color, because the Bajitas logo is gonna be black. And the middle of it, you know how the Mexican flag is green, white, and red. So the middle is gonna be the letters with the white in the middle, green, and then red. So that's how it's gonna go about, you know. So I just got that done. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other fenders, but I wanna see if I can still use, I'm gonna peel this off at the end and see if I can put it on my other fenders. So hopefully I can do that. If not, I'm gonna have to do it again all over. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? So what y'all think? Let me know. Alright, so just painted it. The main part, which is gonna be white in the middle. I think. Alright, so I just taped this up. One side, you know how the Mexican, this is gonna be the red side. And that's what I'm gonna be painting. I got the other side covered up because this side right here is gonna be green. Which I think the inside I'm gonna do it the same way. See how it is, guys? You know, I'm just using what I got, you know what I mean? Use what you got. Now we're gonna see how the baby's gonna come out when I take it off. We'll see now. We're gonna see. I'm a little nervous. So what y'all think, guys? Alright guys, so I finished the fenders finally. It took me a couple days. You know, like I said, I did it on and off, you know, a few paint here, paint there, you know, and you gotta wait what 24 hours to get the, you know, the paint dry, you know, good enough for you can move on to the next step or whatever. So but I finished and I didn't really like, I like how it looked, you know, everything. It came out nice, official, fresh. But I didn't, you know, there was some spots, I'm gonna show y'all in a few, there was some things that I didn't really like with the paint. You know, at the end when I put on the clear coat, like some of the paint, you know, crumbled. They got like wrinkles. You know, if y'all know about that, let me know, you know, what I did wrong or, you know, why did that happen. So, but yeah, this is the first time me doing this, you know, kind of stuff, you know, and this is the first time it happened to me because I painted bikes before, you know, all that, but this is the first time with me putting like multiple paints in one part, you know what I mean? I appreciate it, you know, the feedback, I appreciate the comments, you know, but I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, so this is how it came out, guys. What y'all think? What y'all think? It came out good. I think it came out good, man, for real. But the things that got me worried and messed up, I can see it. Let me see. You see that? Please let me know what's up, what I did wrong. I think it came out good. Came out alright. I didn't execute it. I had a good plan. But I didn't really execute it. With this one right here, I should have used fresh Bajitas tape, but I didn't. I took it off from this one and went to this one. I feel like I was kind of rushing it, which I think I did. Because I could have just used fresh tape, fresh letters. But I was too lazy to make new ones, and that's the results that I get for not putting new letters on them. But this one came out nice. This one has a few wrinkles on them too. See that? So let me know what you guys think. I think it came out fire, you know what I mean? The idea, everything, I think it came out nice. But something always happens. Something always happens, you know what I mean? And this is my first time, so it happened to me. Which I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna redo it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take the whole paint off and redo it. But I'm gonna install it first. I'm gonna install it and see how, see how they look. But that's gonna be for the next video. But I just wanna show y'all what I did with the fenders. But in the next video, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna install it, with some new pieces that, I ordered. I just wanna say I wanna thank y'all. I appreciate y'all, for tuning in. I appreciate it for everything. And we're gonna keep going, man. We're gonna keep going with everything, man. You know what I mean? Keep building, keep riding, and keep living, man. That's what I always say. That's the motto I go by. You know what I mean? But I just want to say thank y'all, guys. God bless y'all. Keep your head up. Keep praying. I appreciate y'all, man. Till the next video, man. I'll see y'all.